Today we're off to Unicopia, the land of unicorns. Let's take another big breath in of some sparkles. And horse blow those rainbows. Lovely. Very excitingly today, Twinkle Pop's Unicorn School is having an open day for new students. And Skippy really wants to go. The problem is, Skippy is a donkey. She isn't a unicorn, but she is determined. Sitting with our legs out long, we bend up one knee, take a hand behind us, and we sweep our other arm all the way up and round and lift up into a donkey rockstar pose. Woohoo! All of the other unicorns stop and look at Skippy doing a very cool move. Off she spins and whizzes like a shooting star. Hee-haw! Hee-haw! And back to centre again. Butterscotch, the head unicorn, raises a suspicious eyebrow. Let's see if we can raise a suspicious eyebrow. It's quite a tricky pose, isn't it? We'll keep practising that one. And she sings to Skippy.
Hey Skippy, you know who you are. You are a donkey, and I know you'll go far. Being a unicorn, oh yes, it's pretty cool. But it means nothing if you're not being you. Hey Skippy, don't you change a thing. There's nothing more exhausting than people pleasing. We love you just for being you. So to yourself, always be true.